Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, babe. I took the half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, babe. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, babe.
Blessed Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be different. A little bit different. I mean, I've done a video like this on my channel already, so excuse any background noises, but remember to subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment and share with everyone you know. Alright, so just quick and fast, have my brown eyebrow pencil right here from Airwoman in the shade dark brown. I'm going to be lining my lips because this video is going to be me showing you guys how to do your glossy lips. So first, I have this pencil which I use to line my lips, so I'm just sharpening it real quick, right? And then I'm going to get my mirror. This is some of the mirror I use for the most part so that I can see. And I'm going to go in and line my lips. Alright, so this is the lips line. So now I'm going to go in with another brush to just diffuse the ends. You know, it looks harsh right now, like to actually draw a line. And we don't want it to look like that. So I'm just going to go with this little brush, my lip brush, and just smooth out the line. Yo! You see the difference? Guys, there's a fly mosquito. Jesus Christ, there's a freaking mosquito flying in front of the camera. So, it's getting on my nerves. I kind of cute, but this fly is irritating me. So you see how different the lips look, guys? It looks more blended and just more, you know? Yeah. So now, as you read by the title, it's gonna be a gloss lip. So I have my lip gloss right here. The one I use is almost finished, but not yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to my lips, like so. Yep. Just like that. Ooh. Looks really good, guys. So this is basically the end of this video. It's really short. I just wanted to show you guys how I do these kind of lip combos, which is really simple, just line and lip gloss. That's my favorite thing to do when it comes down to my glossy lips. So the Bible verse of the day and the daily affirmation will be linked down in the description box. This is what I'm going to end off this video because I have to go back and end up another video. So you guys, so any information will be linked down in the description box, so if you want to go there and check it out. And I'll see you Blessed Beauties in my next video. My name is Upload. Be blessed, stay safe, and bye, Blessed Beauties.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.